Okay, today we're going to talk about single digit multiplication using the traditional algorithm. So single digit, and we're going to be multiplying it by more than one digit. So some problems might look like, oh, let me change my color. Let's say 25 times 3. And some problems might even go into the hundreds place, so 762 times 9, okay? But either way, we're going to have a single digit multiplier down here. Okay, let's kick it off. So 787 times 7. So the strategy here is that you're going to take this bottom number, this 7, and we are going to multiply it times everything up here on the top. So 7 times 7, 7 times 8, and 7 times 7. So if we look at that, our first step here would be 7 times 7, which is 49. So our 9 is down here, and we carry our 4, or we regroup our 4. So 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. Regroup that 6 up there. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 6 would be 55. Okay, so our answer would be 5,509. Now, if you're not sure in terms of adding that, you're always welcome to come over here and do a little bit of side math, right? So that will help you get your 55, okay? So don't be afraid to do side math if you get stuck. There's always side math. Okay, let's try another one. 451 times 6. Okay, so again, we're going to take this 6 and multiply it times each number up here at the top. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Regroup my 3. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. So our answer here is 2,706. All right, let's try another one. This one has a 0 in it, so it makes it a little bit more interesting. But yep, there are numbers out there with zeros in them in the world, so it's always good to know how to deal with them. So 9 times 8 is 72. Regroup our 7. 9 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 7. 9 times 6 is 54. And so our answer is 5,472. Okay, when dealing with this 0, you definitely want to make sure you're doing the 9 times 0 first, and that equals 0, right? And then you add that 7 to it, which is what gives you that 7, okay? So don't forget to do the 9 times 0 first before you get to the regrouped number. All right, last one, 873 times 4. So first step, 4 times 3 is 12. Regroup my 1. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34. Sorry, my pen disappeared there. It's 34, so our answer here is 3,492. Okay, so that's our traditional algorithm, and that's how we solve with single-digit multipliers. Thanks a lot. Bye.